Oh, salamat kayo. Kanibahala ni. Okay, na ang libro gikan sa Manila. These are the children's books. Fragile din eh. Cute. Okay. Let's see what book is this. Oh, this is the Kaya Nako. Okay.
Okay, so far so good.
Okay. So we are going to check the quality. So we're going to quality control the rest of the books. So far what I'm seeing is actually very nice. So the quality, the paper is a C2S, you know, like the one in magazine. So this one is actually a thick paper, I think maybe 300 GSM, and it is laminated there. So I love the colors, the prints. It's good quality. Okay. Okay, wow, I love this. Very nice. So this one is Troisining. Troisining is the one, is my printing company. So if you have a project that you want it printed, so just go for Troisining. This is their Facebook. Talk to Sir Troy, and he is a lovely person to work with. So very reliable. The prints are very good. Yep. So go to Troisining if you have printing projects. Okay. And Kape Tano is a restaurant located in City Times Square, offering international cuisine. What I love, the food that I love here is their chicken, fried chicken, salpicao, actually a lot. Their lasagna, their lasagna is very lami, very delicious. It's located in City Times Square, just across Park Mall, or behind Park Mall. I love it. It's very, very nice. Good quality, mga higala. These books are not like, you know, the paper. It's not like, you know, the comics. This one, the feel is like a magazine. Okay. Good quality paper, good prints, good educational book that will help you learn Bisaya. Okay, this is what's the weather like. Wow, very nice color. I love it. The quality is really good. Love this. Love it, love it. Very nice. Okay, this is asa si Iring. Let's see. Yeah, this one has, let's see if it's correct. Oh, wow, nice. The color is nice. Very good. It's correct. Is this correct? Okay. Hi mga gala, Maestra Judy here. So today I'm a bit busy. The studio is very messy. Domingo na ako'y activity, my first pop-up store in Tarif. It's a private school. I'm actually with my friend who is going to we actually share the expenses for the pop-up store. It's a small table, mga gala. So I'm just going to try if this will work. So I'm actually very excited. So currently now I am preparing a notebook that has encouragement. So I will be selling notebooks there because it's a school. So it's great to sell something that is useful for the students. So aside from that, I have other designs. So other designs is this one is the dragon, this one is a lion, and I'll be making more designs in for today there. And I'm also producing the flashcards and preparing a lot. So I hope I will not miss out some opportunities to sell something. And then this one, I actually did some changes in the cover book of the vocabulary list. So I did it like this so that it will be easier if you're far from the display. I mean, like, you can still read what the book is all about. So this is the new updated one, and the black cover will be for my notebooks. So that's it for today, and